All right, hey there viewers, got a quick video for you. So if you have a CRV hybrid with this code, electric throttle control system malfunction, right? I don't know, these things are made in Canada, I think. I don't know how they store their parts when they assemble these things, but in Canada, there's salt, there's winter, it gets cold, but the reason why it sets this code on this 2026 CRV hybrid, and it's been pretty common ever since this CRV hybrid has come out, but the throttle body gets all corroded. You can see? Let me see if I can zoom in for you. How's that? So this is being something we've seen quite often now, right? Ever since this thing came out 2020 and 2022, 2023, right? So that throttle plate corrodes, and then the butterfly valve has trouble opening, and then it sets that code. What also you will find is customer will be complaining that they have no throttle input. And yeah, that's basically it. So this thing just needs another throttle body. Anyways, quick video.